On how to use an application called Pic Stitch that I have on my iPhone, and I have two screen recordings from my phone that I show how to use the application. So in this first one, this is a new feature on the new iOS where you can do screen recordings. It's on the control center. So I started running, and this is a picture that I have already set up on Pic Stitch. So I had selected a layout, and then I had formatted these pictures into here, and then I'm going to show you how I did the same thing with each of the other ones. I'm going to show you how I do it into this space. So I go to my photos and I select the main photo that I just downloaded off of the internet, and it gets inserted into the frame. So once I have that picture there, now I need to go in and edit it. So I push the little edit button, and then I go down at the bottom and I choose crop. Then I'm able to make the box fit exactly how I want it to. And when I press done at the top, it gets inserted into the box. Pretty simple. So the second part of the tutorial is how to fill in that middle space. So in between this demonstration and this one, I went to the internet and just downloaded a black background to add into my pictures. So I start the screen recording, and I go in and I just click on this area because that's where I want to add. So I go to my photos, and here's the black background that I selected, and when I click it, it goes in. So you'll see that I moved it up with my finger, and then what I'm going to do is click on this edit button so that I can add some text. So down along the bottom, there are features for making adjustments, and you select the text option. And then I can go in and I can start typing my title. So my typing skills aren't really very good in this, so I'm going to kind of just scroll past this so I can get it all on there how I want it. So once I'm done, you press done, and now I have my text, and I'm going to go in and show you how you can edit it. So I first select color. And now I can go in and choose any of the colors here. I end up picking orange. And then I go back and I can select the font style. And once I have the one that I want, now I'm going to go in. I'm going to press apply up at the top. And it gives me how I want it to look. Now I'm going to select crop so that I can make just this part fit in the box. So just like I did with the picture. Move that down, press apply, press done, and there it is. So now what I want to do is be able to use that. So down at the bottom here is a feature called export. So you click on export, and it sends you to the next screen. And in this situation here, we can either save it to our photo album, or we can send it to different social media or text. So I just saved it to my album. Once it gives notice, then I close Pic Stitch, and I go up to my photos, click it, and now there it is, the last photo in my album. Very easy application to use. It has a lot of versatility, and doesn't really require a whole lot just to have some pictures on your photo album.